Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see row number, rank, dense rank function in PySpark. So basically you can just rename our row number, comma, rank and dense rank. Right, so this is our notebook name. So firstly we are going to see the code. So we loaded all the functions, loaded all the types and window, right? This is our data. So basically we have the sixth row of data, and first four row we have the HR data, and last three we have the IT department, right? Now this is our column name. First one is the 101, 102, so 106 is the ID, then department, then gender and salary. So first we are going to create a data frame. So whenever you want to create a data frame, first give the variable that store our data frame, and then spark.createData. This is our createDataFrame is the function. By using that we can create our data frame, and createDataFrame we need to pass first parameter, that is data. So our data variable where we store, that is name also is data, and then we need to pass the schema variable. So our variable name is also schema. So now we are going to display the data frame. So either we can use the show function or display function. So now I can use display function here. So let's run our code and let's see the result, right? So now if you see, we have the four column: ID, department, gender and salary, right? And then we have the six records: 101, 102, 103, 104. So here it's duplicate record. Let me change it 104. 104, 105, I can make 105, 106 and 10. To total we have 7 records. Let's run the code once again and let's see the data. So now if you see, data is correct. So we have the 4 HR employee and 3 is IT employee, right? So now what we are going to create, we are going to create a window on the basis of department. So one window will be the HR window and another window will be the IT, right? And then we are performing the operation for that particular window, like finding the rank according to that window only. Like suppose I just want to see the highest salary for the HR window, like HR overall whole HR, like out of 4 HR, what is the rank for the each employee on the basis of salary, right? Firstly we are going to create a window, so that's why we imported a window object, right? So now let's see I just going to create a one variable, that is name is win. You can give any variable xyz, and then we need to import window, right? Then we need to use the function, that is name is partitionBy. So window we are creating, but how we are creating the window? Using the partitionBy function, right? And we need to pass the column, on the basis of which column we need to do the partition and then create the window. So name is department, and then now we created the window, but on that window 4 rows we want to do the ascending or descending on the basis of salary, because we want to find the rank on the basis of salary, right? And then we use the orderBy. In orderBy, which column we are going to use? Salary, right? Now by default it will show orderBy is ascending. So let's, now we created a window, right? First window is for HR, these are the one window, and second window will be the IT. Here it will show 1000, 2000. Here make as a 3000. Let make as a 3000 for understanding. Okay, right? So this is first rank, second rank, third rank, right? Like that. First, second, third and fourth, right? So we have the 4 employees, so it will show the rank as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Depend upon the which function we are going to use. So let's run once again the data and I will show you. So now if you see, we have the 4 row. So this is first, second, third and fourth, and this is first, second, third, right? But one question is in your mind, if we have the duplicate, not duplicate but same record, same values, then how rank will assign? So firstly we are going to see the row number function, rank function and dense rank function, and then we are going to see the difference between each function, right? Now we are created the window, then we want to assign the rank using the row number function. So let's see how we can assign the rank. So now what basically, whenever we are using the row number function, number of records will be the same as it is, but when you are using the group by function, then we are doing the group by. But whenever, just keep in your mind, like when you are using the row number function, rank, dense rank, any window function, so number of input, like out number of rows we have, that same must be shown in the output also, right? So that is one difference. So someone was confused, like why you are using the row number and then group by, right? So input must be same. Now what we are going to create, so using that row number we are going to create a new column. So whenever you want to add any new column, we are going to use the function that is with column, right? On the df we want to create a new column, so that function we use with column. So our new column name is rn, that is row number, or I can give the row number. Then what we are going to do now, what we are going to do, so we are going to use our function that is row number, but that row number we want to use on the basis of window, right? So that's why we are using function that is over function, right? We want to apply the row number, but where exactly we want to apply? So that's why we are using the over, right? And we want to apply that over row number over, and then we are going to pass that variable window that we created, right? So I'm just copy this variable and pass to the over function. And now what I am going to create, let's see the, after we performing all the, like creating the new column and then applying the row number for the each record, then we are going to see the result, final result, that is df1 dot, I can use again here display function. So either we can use show or display. So let's run the code and let's see the result what we are getting. So this is our data 101, 102, and this is our salary, right? And now let's see the row number. So now if I see, we have done the salary as ascending, right? So that's why 1000, 2000, 2000 and then 3000 we are getting. But if you see from this HR window, we are getting row number 1, then second row 2, then third row third and fourth. Again if you see, it's starting from 1 because we want row number on the basis of window. So that HR is a one window, IT is a another window. Now let's see what exactly we want, because now here rather than it's have the same values, right? So we want same rank, right? So we are going to use the rank function. So row number, it will not consider same values, it will just directly, it not consider like whether it have the same value or not, it will just give the row number 1 2 3 4 5, right, on the till that window. So that is row number. Now let's see the rank. I can just copy this one and I can paste here. I can create one more column that is df, and here right df, and here I am going to create one more here, maybe I can show the df2, right? So now here I use the df1, right, existing. So because we want to see the rank also, right, df1 with, so now I can create the rank function. df1 already have the row number function, so I can create one more data frame that have the rank, and here I just replace that row number with rank function, rank function. And now let's display the data frame 2. Now if you see, this is our data original, then this is our row number. Now we see row number, it is not considered, like it not focus like or consider whether we have the duplicate or not. It is just started 1 2 3 4 4 record. But in rank, if you see, whenever we have the duplicate record like or same values, then it will assign same rank. But for the next record, it just skip the next record, that is third. It needs to give the third, but it skip, so it not show the third record, right? So that is the functionality of rank 1 2 2. But as a row number, it is fourth row, so that's why it's giving the fourth. But for this same record, it give the correct rank, but this is fourth record, so it giving the fourth. So we want 3 here because 1 2 2 3. So that's why we are going to use the dense rank function. So what dense rank it will do? 1 2 2, and then it will give the 3. So let's see the dense rank function. So again, what I will do, I just remove the display, and then I can create one more variable, or there we have the all three functions. So now I can use the df2, right? And then again I can use the withColumn function, and our new column name is dense rank, and so our function name is dense, right? And then this function we want to apply on the window, and that's why we use the over to apply this function on window function, like window, and that window name is win. Now let's display the our result display, and let's run the code. So it will have the all three functions. Now if we see row number 1 2 3 4 as it is, not considered the duplicate. But if you see now in rank, it will assign the, whenever we have the same value, it will assign the same rank. But for the next record, it will not add the consecutive rank. But in the dense rank, it will add the consecutive rank after the same values 1 2 2 3. Again if you see, in IT we have the same salary, it will assign the 1 1 and then 2. So that is the difference between row number, rank and dense rank. So I think you got how row number, rank and dense rank it will work. So just like most of the interviewer ask the question, what is the difference between row number, rank and dense rank? So you can say that row number it not consider, like even though we have the same value or not, it will just assign the rank consecutively. But in rank, whenever we have the same values, it assign the rank, but for the next records it not assign the consecutive rank, it will directly assign the row number rank. But in dense rank, whenever we have the same value, it assign the same rank, and for the next record it will assign the consecutive rank. So that is the difference between row number, rank, dense rank. So that's all about today's video. If you have any question and doubt, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.